What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So let's quickly talk about Shiba Inu just to give you guys an update a little bit. And I saw an article today that kind of, opened my eyes to something that's pretty true. And it's about the fact that meme coins are the future. Shiba Inu is the future. And I know labeling Shiba Inu as a meme coin can be disrespectful, but it can also be accurate, right? Everything in the crypto market seems to be some sort of a meme coin or a meme investment because it's all based off of popularity. There can be something with the most amazing use case and it never sees the light of day because there's no popularity, no marketing for it, right? There have been products that have been out in the world that are amazing products but had no visual to it, no visibility to what that is, and no one was able to use it. You had a select group of people that were able to use it. Um, so since crypto is mainly set up for popularity, what does this really mean? That meme coins are the future of money. They absolutely are. Crypto is the future of money. And the reason I would say this is because it seems like people are starting to flow out of the stock market and put their money into something like crypto because it seems like the stock market is more volatile and actually decreases a hell of a lot more than what we're seeing crypto decrease. We're seeing crypto, yes, it decreases and has its ebbs and flows to the market, but it's not as much as the freaking stock market is doing right now. Stock market is boring. It's trash. It doesn't really look great. Obviously, people are still in it. I still make money from it. It's great to be able to find a way to make money from it daily or weekly or monthly, but it's not flowing at the same strength that it would for crypto. Like if I put money into crypto, I could put it into different coins and gain, $1,000 in a day if I wanted to. I can gain $10,000 in a day if I wanted to. There's so many different coins out there, so many different choices. If you actually had the time and put in the effort in order to do that, it's 24/7. You don't have to wait and worry about the weekday. You don't have to worry about the weekend. You don't have to worry about all that stuff. So, anyways, this is the longest intro in the world. We're going to be talking about Shiba Inu today and breaking down what did happen today and just going into some slight details. There's nothing really happening when it comes to cryptocurrency. We did see a little bit of a bloodbath at times. So I'm going to break down what did happen today and hopefully you guys enjoy it. It's not going to be a crazy video. It's not going to have a ton of information. There's not much news. So guys, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out the links down in the description. It does help out the channel a lot, as well as subscribing or following or signing up for my Patreon if you guys want to be a part of that. That does help me out. I feel like it helps you out because you have a lot of different detail in the Patreon that you can get, videos, new cryptocurrencies, Discord group, all of that stuff. But we're going to go ahead and get into this. Thank you guys for sticking around through that whole entire intro, which was 3 minutes long. That's a little ridiculous. But what we're looking at here is this article, and this is from, I believe, a day ago. And it talks about, or actually it's today. Sorry, it was updated today. So it was from December 1st, and it was updated today, talking about how Shiba Inu and meme coins, memes, are the future of money. And I sort of agree with that crypto coins or popular coins are the future of money because it seems like there's such an influx of people into the markets that don't really know too much about use cases, don't really know too much about businesses, don't really know too much about products and all that stuff. And they flow into here trying to find the best coin to start with. I'm putting $100 here. If I put $100 here, what's the value that that could be at in a year? Well, if you put $100 into Shiba Inu in a year, it could be worth a hell of a lot. If you put $1,000 into Shiba Inu a year ago, it would be worth millions of dollars, right? This is what people want. They want that. It's not get rich quick. It's get rich over time because it's something to where you may get rich in a year. And I would say making $1,000,000 is not something of a get rich quick scheme if it's taking you a year to end up getting to or a year and a half to end up getting to. That's a long-term investment, and that's going to be taxed at a different rate than a short-term investment would. So I wouldn't classify it as a get rich quick scheme. I would think it's more of get rich from entering early. type of play, right? So a lot of people are looking for this, and you can't find that in the stock market. You really can't, because anything that does have that ability to start never sees that massive growth without being heavily, you know, I don't know, chopped at the knees, right? I feel like any position that grows 100% will be taken down by hedge funds or institutions that decide this isn't worth this. I'm going to go ahead and short the hell out of this thing. And then the after hours market is where they control everything. Well, crypto is not like that. Crypto, yes, you can have people that massively control things. However, it's 24/7. You're not going to have a certain time in the day to where it's controlled by people. You're not going to have a certain time in a day to where it's being manipulated, heavily manipulated, and you don't have liquidity, because you do have liquidity. You can buy whenever you want to, sell whenever you want to, as long as the platform that you have has some available to trade, right? Which is usually the case. They do have it. So, anyways, I think it's the truth. I think meme coins are the future of investing. I think popular coins are the future of investing, and I'll stop calling them memes. I'm only saying that because of the title here. But Shiba Inu shows how popularity can make a coin rise to the top, right? So something to where it was introduced on Coinbase Pro, you saw an increase all the way up to 0.00008 thousand. And now it has decreased down to about 0.000 at its low of like 0.00003 thousand. Hopefully I'm getting the zeros right. Did increase again, what was it, 30% with the Kraken exchange announcement, even though they added on all this supply and people knew that you would see a little bit of a decrease. The just adding it onto an exchange creates popularity, which then rises the price. So something like that brings this up to a level that you wouldn't have thought that it would have gotten back to, right? I understand there's a lot of people that are optimistic, but you can understand that it needs to burn off some supply to see a massive increase. And right now, sitting at around $30 billion market cap seems reasonable for what Shiba Inu, has to offer. However, as you do burn off more supply, it increases that price. So that's what I wanted to talk about there. Let's go ahead and break down what did happen today. I understand that was very long-winded, but we can look at how the last hour was. The last hour, Shiba Inu is up 0.64%. The last day, it's down 7%. The last week, it's down 2.5%. The last month, it's down 40%. The last year, it's up 64 million percent. 64 million percent. So this is why popular coins are the future of investing, is because you can get in here at one of these low levels, put in $1,000 and grow it by 64,000%, or sorry, 64 million percent. That is insane to grow something by that much. So that's just $1,000, growing it from this level back in December to December where it is now, right? It's absolutely huge. You can grow it a hell of a lot. And if we wanted to look at that, I guess it would be what's 2.9 million percent. 2.9 million percent versus, I guess, when it did drop down more. I guess it must have dropped down more at that point to show 64 million percent. I mean, it's just insane to see that growth. You put in money and you can grow it to an unheard of level. So let me know what you think about coins. I know this wasn't really the biggest update video. We did see a decrease today, and the reason is because we saw a decrease in volume. The whole entire crypto market was really bloody at times. So I'm not going to just say that Shiba Inu decreased because nobody's buying Shiba Inu. They obviously are. People are buying it. But yeah, let me know what you think about popular coins and how and if they are the future of investment. Definitely, comment down below and let me know what you think. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Also, if you want to sign up for my Patreon to be aware of any new coins that are coming on, my opinions, also get some updates for long-term investments, dividends, all of that stuff. I'm going to get out of here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.